So we have another exercise for low back pain today. This one is called bird dog. It's going to be on all fours. I'll demonstrate first and then talk about it a little bit. So again, your knees under your hips, hands under your shoulders, and you're going to lift opposite arm and leg at the same time. Right arm, left leg. Slowly lower. Switch sides. Kind of extend out as far as you can with your arm and as far down with your leg. And you want to keep your core stable, so contract your abs. Make sure you feel that contraction in your glute. As always, if you feel any pain, stop, talk to your provider and see if you can do anything differently. Talk to your provider before doing any exercises. This is a great simple one you can do at home for good strengthening and flexibility to help with low back.